IPL career comparison: Soman Gill vs Rishabh Pant vs Josh Butler. Date of birth: Soman Gill 8 September 1999, Rishabh Pant 4 October 1997, Josh Butler 8 September 1990. Age: Gill 26, Pant 27, Butler 34. National: Gill Indian, Pant Indian, Butler England. Gill batter, Pant wicket-keeping batter, Josh Butler wicket-keeping batter. Jersey number: Gill 7, Pant 17, Josh Butler 63. IPL debut: Soman Gill 2018, Pant 2016, Butler 2016. Matches: Gill 103, Pant 111, Butler 107. Gill 3216, Pant 3284, Butler 3582. Winner: Josh Butler. Hundreds: Soman Gill 4, Pant 1, Josh Butler 7. Winner: Josh Butler. Half centuries: Soman Gill 20, Pant 18, Butler 19. Winner: Soman Gill. Scores: Soman Gill 310, Pant 296, Josh Butler 355. Winner: Josh Butler. Sixes: Soman Gill 95, Pant 154, Josh Butler 161. Winner: Josh Butler. Strike rate: Soman Gill 135, Pant 148, Josh Butler 147. Winner: Rishabh Pant. Batting average: Soman Gill 37, Pant 35, Josh Butler 38. Winner: Josh Butler. Highest score: Soman Gill 129, Rishabh Pant 128, Josh Butler 124. Winner: Soman Gill. Knockouts: Soman Gill 4, Rishabh Pant 4, Josh Butler 7. Soman Gill 1 point, Pant 1 point. Catches: Soman Gill 37, Rishabh Pant 75, Josh Butler 55. Winner: Rishabh Pant. Notouts: Soman Gill 15, Rishabh Pant 17, Josh Butler 12. Winner: Rishabh Pant. Most runs in a season: Soman Gill 890, Rishabh Pant 684, Josh Butler 863. Winner: Soman Gill. Most 50s in a season: Soman Gill 4, Rishabh Pant 5, Josh Butler 5. Josh Butler 1 point, Rishabh Pant 1 point. Most hundreds in a season: Soman Gill 3, Rishabh Pant 1, Josh Butler 4. Winner: Josh Butler. Most fours in a season: Soman Gill 85, Rishabh Pant 68, Josh Butler 83. Winner: Soman Gill. Most sixes in a season: Soman Gill 33, Rishabh Pant 37, Josh Butler 45. Winner: Josh Butler. Total boundaries: Soman Gill 410, Rishabh Pant 450, Josh Butler 483. Winner: Josh Butler. Wicket keeping stumped: Soman Gill 0, Rishabh Pant 23, Josh Butler 1. Winner: Rishabh Pant. IPL orange caps: Soman Gill 1, Rishabh Pant 0, Josh Butler 1. Soman Gill 1 point, Josh Butler 1 point. Player of the match awards: Soman Gill 10, Rishabh Pant 8, Josh Butler 13. Winner: Josh Butler. Player of the series awards: Soman Gill 1, Rishabh Pant 0, Josh Butler 1. Soman Gill 1 point, Josh Butler 1 point. IPL highest auction price: Soman Gill 16.50 crores, Rishabh Pant 27 crores, Josh Butler 15.75 crores. Winner: Rishabh Pant. IPL team: Soman Gill Gujarat Titans, Rishabh Pant Lucknow Super Giants, Josh Butler గుజరాత్ టైటన్స్. ఓవరాల్ విన్నర్ జాష్ బట్లర్. ఇంకా మా ఛానల్ ఎవరైనా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. ఇంకా ఎవరెవరి మధ్య కంపారిజన్ కావాలో కామెంట్ చేయండి.